I'm making my shake, shaking it twice. Gonna find out I need more peanut butter. So, what I'm doing right here, right? Just recording while I'm making this, because you can do that. You can do it without even talking, man. You could just record yourself making something, and then put up the hook on the screen. Be like, "Did you know?" Or "How I did this," or "Stop doing that," or something like that, okay? And again, there's plenty of them out there. Go to ChatGPT and be like, "Yo, give me the most viral hooks for my niche, or for doing something specific, whatever you're trying to do." Like, and again, look at what other people are doing that is working. If somebody is in the niche that you're in, what are their hooks? What are they saying? What are they talking about? How long is their video? Stuff like that. But for like Instagram Reels or TikTok, videos that are going to be short, you can literally just have you doing your thing. You could speed it up even so that it's like short in length. And then you say your hook on the screen with like something that's going to grab the attention. And then you want to put a bunch of information in the caption, like break it down for the people. Be like, "These top 5 hooks worked for me," if that's what it's about. Or say you're in astrology, right? Like, "What's to come for the cardinal placements? What's to come for Aries?" And because when you do that, right, when you're on a short or you're on a rail or something like that, and it's just a quick little like 30, not even, it doesn't even have to, it could be like you just like your little coffee, right? That's going to loop when people read what you wrote in the caption. We're going to capture their attention. It doesn't have to be high class and all beautiful and all of that. It just has to capture their attention. You should use some of the viral music, but before it goes viral, like try to figure out what's going to be blowing up. And if you can't, there's people out there that literally have accounts that's all they do. They're like, this one has the potential to go big, guys, and it's only got 5,000 people that have used it so far. Get in there now. And that's just for the sound on like Instagram, okay? So again, and these concepts pretty much work on all of these places, because when you get something that's going to be taking off and it's going to be like a music thing that everybody's going to be using, or a trending thing that everybody's going to be doing, jump on the trending music at least and put it in the thing. But only have, and make like there's really good ones for this concept of the looping thing, okay? So it's like a 10-second video, a 5-second video. It's just you stirring your coffee, right? The hook, then a big ass description. That's gonna boop da boop da boop the whole time they're reading that. So your views are gonna go skyrocketing. Now the next step of all of this is get them to comment something. Okay, so if you're like a healer or a reader or whatever, be like, "Put 1111 in the comments to activate," or something like that. Or if you have ManyChat, which I just downloaded recently, ManyChat will help you to like set up those automated DMs. So if you have something to offer people, like a free PDF download or a link to some more information or find out more here, you can do that with ManyChat, and it will like, say, put the prompt, like there's going to be a certain word that they're going to put into the comment that's going to prompt that thing to just automatically DM them. So you're not like sitting there all day DMing people immediately upon their like, "Yes, I want that PDF," or "Yes, I want that guide," or "Yes, I want that thing." You just, and you don't have to get there yet, okay? If you're like, "That's too much for me," you don't have to do that yet. You just want to get the idea going of, making some looping rails that are going to help build up the views, but also are going to get people, interested in what you're doing. What are you doing? I don't know if anybody has seen Who is Benny on TikTok, but I feel like I just talked like, "What are you doing, Bun Bun?" He's a tarot reader, and I see him every once in a while. "What are you doing, Bun Bun?" And again, it doesn't even matter, okay? Because like, sometimes you're just gonna do something and a lot of people are gonna like it, and sometimes you're gonna do something and nobody's gonna like it. And when nobody likes it, a lot of times nobody even sees it, not that many. It's not enough people for you to fucking care about. There's 8 billion people, man, or 10 billion now. I don't even know. There's billions of people. They don't care even if they're like, they're gonna forget that they even saw it, okay? Your goal is to just get over that bullshit, okay? And your goal is to get, strategic and also authentic. Like, make sure you're not just doing random ass stupid shit for no reason. But those are some tips that I was just like, popped into my head while I was making my thingy. I'm gonna add some zinc and cat's claw. But yeah, here on YouTube, it's a little bit different with the long form content. With the long form content, I honestly think it's better to have YouTube videos that are going to rank and be around for a long time, that can help deliver information to people. And like right now I'm growing, right? So I'm not like trying to sell you a bunch of shit. I'm not putting a bunch of links in my description that take you off of YouTube, because I'm trying to get YouTube to be like, okay, let's put this out there and help you to grow. And I'm almost at 50. I'm almost at 50, so I could go live with people. Thank you very much. But anyways, YouTube is good in the sense of long form and long life. Like, I have videos that still make me money today that I made a long time ago. And we can blow that up. We can make that even bigger and bigger and bigger. We just need to be strategic about it, and we need to grow our stuff. It's going to take a little while, It doesn't happen over motherfucking night, but it's going to take some time, and we're going to do it right, okay? But yeah, I wanted to share that about the Instagram and like the TikTok and, Rails and the shorts on YouTube, which again, sparingly using those. If you are going to do it on shorts on YouTube with that concept, I would definitely make sure it clicks to a related long form video, because the long form videos, once you get your channel monetized and all of that, those are going to have better ad revenue. They have a better potential to turn into income. You can do affiliating things with them. You can offer services through it. You can promote yourself. You can do products. You could do like donation based. You can do so many things. But yeah, also I found out Twitch lets you do 18 plus content, and there are people on there doing tarot cards, but not that many people, okay? So I feel like this is like a potential here, like an untapped thingy, okay? And I don't do it on YouTube anymore or Instagram anymore, because they changed the rules around, like, at some point. Like, everybody was doing it. I had 100,000 views on my videos. Everything was great. And then they demonetized my channel and gave me 30 days to fix it, but they didn't tell me how to fix it, so I deleted everything. But I could have just marked it to 18 plus. So I wish I knew that then, but whatever. It happened for a reason. But then Instagram, I was over there making my 18 plus stuff because they didn't say anything yet, and then they too were like, no, you can't do that. So, it sucked. But Twitch literally, allows you to have the 18 plus stuff. And there's only one person on there making 18 plus tarot readings. So I was like, that's like an untapped niche potential. You could definitely do that there and see how it goes. I mean, I can't predict for sure or certain that it would blow up, but nobody is there competing with you for it. And I think that it, sex sells, okay? Sex sells, basically. But you can do other things there too, And you can also do them on like Patreon or through other places. But I don't know. I wanted to let you guys know that because I thought it was interesting to see. And it's one of those things that's like, it's an untapped potential if you're a tarot reader. Sadie lady! If you're a tarot reader, But yeah. In Renee, namaste.